So who are them? So when I talk about them, I talk about us. I talk about school teachers. I talk about airline pilots. I talk about people who work at Google. I talk about police officers, firefighters, doctors, everybody. Your mom, your dad, my mom, my dad, cousins, uncles. Who are they? They comprise institutional orders, right? Institutional orders for all of these different groups of peoples, because you got to think about state funds, state pensions, company funds, company pensions, organizations, all of these different large things, they all have portfolio managers. This is what the stock market was actually designed for. Right. So you kind of saw in the context of the string of conversation we had going on there that Steve and I were saying, the access to the market really hit in like the 90s to 2000s for retail. So if there was no retail before, then what was the purpose of the market, right? Like, what's the purpose of the market if not for us retailers to fulfill our orders? That's right. The market's for institutions. Right, the market's here for moving institutional orders back and forth across the DOM or the order book, our depth of market. Right, this is what the entire stock market is for. Period. It's an open auction in which we move large liquidity to large supply and back and forth. Who makes up the large liquidity? Who makes up the large supply? We do. They do. Who are they? Pensions. Does it, right? All of this. So I want to elaborate on this just a little bit more. Like, so for instance, and some of you have heard this already, we talk about like the New York Police Department, for instance. The New York Police Department has a massive multi-billions dollars fund, right? They have a pension manager. His entire job is just to make sure that that pension performs its butt off and pays dividends into the pension, right? Those dividends are what the fund uses to pay retired police officers, disabled police officers, and all of those other things. If that pension doesn't make money, then you have to start depleting the pension. You start spending money that's in the pension to fulfill those obligations. Right. So the pension manager has a really big job to do. And if he screws that up, you're talking about people's entire retirements could be gone. Right. NYPD pension fund is estimated at $242 billion. Right. It's an insane amount of money, like just crazy. So you got it's with my risk level, Steve, it's a couple trades, man. A couple trades. We're done. No. But when you're talking about like big shares, when you're talking about $1 billion, $100 million, $500 million, here's another one for me, Steve. Maybe you can grab this one for me. How many companies have a pension fund that's higher than 500 million? See if you can pull that one for me. So our pension managers are who are putting these large orders up, these large orders out. There are limit orders. Right now, we don't sell these on markets, at least not ideally. It can happen, but it normally happens on a campaign. So, and that's what I want to talk about. That's the big word of the day that I want to do. Word of the day, right? AI says there are hundreds. Thank you. Hundreds.
Hello, market alchemists, and thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to watch the next episode. And before doing so, like and subscribe.